Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to Jawadul Manzoor Foundation. As you can see that this is a very wonderful worksheet in front of you, and you can see that we have already discussed all this worksheet. The questions related to this worksheet we have already discussed because it is related to multiplication. In this worksheet all the questions are related to multiplication, division. Mostly questions are of multiplication, so we have already solved. So I will put the link below, and if you feel any problem you can just go through the link and revise the multiplication chapter, multiplication exercises we have discussed in a very detail, and then start working on this worksheet. Okay, try to write the answers of this worksheet in the comment box, or you can solve in your manuscript, in your copy, in your notebook, anywhere you can solve, but try to write the answers so that I will come to know that you are working on this worksheet as well, because this is very wonderful worksheet. You can see very colorful, and the colors are very nice, and means this is very attractive as well. And all these lessons, all these questions are related to, mostly related to the multiplication, which we have discussed already in a very detail. So I don't need to discuss this again. The same type of questions I will not discuss, but this is the task for you that you have to do it by yourself. You can see there is a very wonderful things, and this is only the same things we have to apply. The multiplication concept we have to apply here. Just draw the ring around each group of two dolls, then count the dolls in twos. So what we have to do, we have to make a group of two dolls like this, and then in the last we have to count that how many groups are there, right? So each and everything we have discussed already in a very detailed. So this is the task for you, this is a worksheet for you. I will put the link below. You can download this worksheet and start working on it, and try to write the answers in a comment box, so that when I will check this worksheet, I will check your answers. You will just write the question number and write the answer. For example, this is 5, 10, 15. So what are you thinking, that when we are adding 5 it become 10, and then again 5 it is becoming 15? So what does it mean? That we are counting the table of 5. 5 1 is equal to 5, 5 2 is equal to 10, 5 3 is equal to 15, and then what will be the 5 4 is equal to, and then what will be the 5 5 is equal to. And after that you will see here that 20, 30 and 40. It means there is a difference between both of these second and the first number. There is a difference of 10. Alright, so what we have to do, we have to count the table of 10. 10 2s are 22, 10 3s are 10 2s are 20, 10 3s are 30, 10 4s are 40, and 10 5s are obviously 50, and 10 6s are, you will do it by yourself and write the answer in a comment box. Alright guys, now which pattern here we are following? This is for 12, 14 and 16. Means here what we are doing, you can see that we are adding 2. For example, this is 12. When we will add 2 here, then it will become 14. Alright, so this is 14. Now if we will add again 2 here, we are actually what we are doing, we are adding 2 here, then it will become 16. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, and 2, and there is only 1, so this becomes 16. Now again in 16, what we will do, we will add 2 here. So what will be the answer? You have to write here. What will be the answer after getting a final answer? You will again add 2 here and then write the answer here. All right. So in this way you have to solve this worksheet. Actually this worksheet is not only for the multiplication, it is also for division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So all these strategies which we have done in a previous lesson, we have done, learned from the learner's book completely we have done. And after that I have also shared with you workbook, and apart from the workbook I have also shared few extra worksheets related to the addition, multiplication, division and subtraction. So if you feel any problem, you can go back to these all lessons and review all these lessons and come back here on this worksheet and try to solve this worksheet by yourself. All right, now we are moving towards another page. This was the page number 16. Now this is this was page number 6. Now this is 7. Now here you can see one example is given to you. What it is written, 2 multiply by 3. So what will be the answer of this? And how we have written 2 here? Because you can see this box, you can see. So this, now here what you have to do, first you will count the horizontal numbers 1 2 3 4. Now we will count the vertical 1 2 3 4, again 4, and you can see that both sides are equal. That's why this is a perfect square. Now 4 multiplied by 4, so it become 16. All right, so this is the 16th part of this full chocolate bar. So how many parts are there? 16 parts are there. In a similar way, here you have to do 1 2 1 2 and 3. Okay, 1 2 3. 3 multiplied by 1 2 3 4 5 6. Again 6. 3 multiplied by 6. So what will be the answer of this? You have to write. Okay, you have to write in a comment box. All right, now we are moving towards our next page number 8. Here we are doing arrays as we have done already in the multiplication lesson. Open the multiplication video, try to repeat this and try to solve this, because this is very easy thing. These all things are very easy. All right, so you have to, here you have to apply again multiplication. You can see this is again multiplication. All right, now we are moving towards write a multiplication number sentence. Yeah, here the sentence is given to you and you have to write in numbers and you have to draw an array. Array means same thing, like we have a chocolate bar, we have divided into, so this is called array. And how we will count this array? First we will write 2, because in vertically how many parts? 1 2 3. So this is called array. So in this way you have to write, read this question carefully, write in counting numbers, and then you have to make the array like this. All right, okay, now we are moving towards the page number 10. This is again, what is the wrong with this array? This is not complete array, you can see. And what is the wrong with this array? You will write in a comment box. I will be waiting for your answer, and definitely I am here for you. And if you will not do the participation in the lectures, or you will not give the answers, so obviously I will also be very loose and I will not try to search for these things for you. But as you know that we have discussed multiplication, division, subtraction and addition chapter very deeply, so you should take a part into it. You should write, all of you should write the answers, or if it is possible, just send me the screenshot of it that you have solved this worksheet completely. All of these pages you have solved, so I will be very happy that my subscribers are working on mathematics, because if you want to teach your kids, your maths must be strong. If you want to teach your students, your mathematics must be strong. Your foundation of mathematics must be strong, so that you can teach very easily to everyone. So this is very colorful and a very informative worksheet, and very easy as well. Types of questions are different. I have compiled this because of you, that we, as you know, that the mathematics is a game of practice, so we have to practice as much as we can. Now you will read this all questions and write the answers. If you feel, again I am saying to you, it doesn't mean that I have taught you, so I will not repeat the things. If you want me to repeat anything, so just write me, so I will definitely repeat all these things again. Okay, because these are all things we have already discussed, and we have to actually make other lessons as well, other exercises we have to solve. Now these are the timetables. These also you must learn by heart all these up to grade 2 level students must learn by heart all these 2 to 5, and then 10. These are the very important. After grade 2 you will learn 6, 7, 8 and other timetables, but up to grade 2 level you must learn these all timetables. All right, learn by heart this one, and also this one also, this is also one of your tasks that you have to learn by heart and write me, so that I will see that either you are working or not. In a similar way, when you will learn by heart, and you have to write the answers of the timetables here. Okay guys, now this is also 5 timetables and the 10 timetable. Again there is a few questions and the fill in the blanks we can say related to the timetables. This is the time, this is a table of 2, this is a table of 3, you can see this is 4, 5, 10. All right, after timetables you will going to get the reward. All right, now this is again, there is a more few questions, and this is very colorful worksheet. I really love this worksheet very much. So this was all about 28 pages. It comprises of 28 pages, and all are mostly, because multiplication is very important topic, you know, in our daily lives it is very important. In our multiplication and division, subtraction and addition is also, but for multiplication is having a lot of application in our daily life. We are applying the multiplication formula everywhere. For example, when we are watching the time, we are applying the multiplication formula over there. So try to do practice of multiplication question, a lot of multiplication questions. That's why I found search this worksheet for you. So I found it very useful. That's why I was sharing with you, and really you can see that this is very wonderful. Okay, you can solve out this worksheet and you can write the answer in your manuscript, in your notebook, in any page you can write, or you can, if you want to take the printout of this will be the wonderful for you, that you will do the practice of this, and I will be very very happy if you will share your answers. I will be very happy to see that you are taking a part, you are very serious with this subject, and because this subject is a very important, and this is very important apart from our schooling purpose, it is very useful in our daily lives. So try to be very strong in mathematics subject. So try to solve these worksheets and you will be very strong in mathematics. Best of luck.